my bonus and review video for AI Millionaire by Michael Cheney. My name is Ryan Green, and what you're seeing right now is the my bonus page here for AI Millionaire. I will go through the bonuses first, and then we'll go through a little review of the actual product. Okay, so very simply, in case you don't know what AI Millionaire is, just so you can wrap your head around it, AI Millionaire is an AI tool that allows you to write emails, social media posts, blog posts, video scripts, and create photos all in one tool. Okay. Let's jump down into the bonuses here though, so that you can see what I'm offering. If you click the link below this video, you'll go to this page and you can grab these bonuses. Okay. First off, bonus number one is what I've created, which is the content amplification blueprint. So this blueprint is going to help you take the content that you build with AI Millionaire and then teach you how you use it to make money, essentially. Everyone can create content now with AI, but you need to know how to leverage that content and to make money with it. So that's what this is all about. Okay. Bonus number two is a copy of my personal content calendar for September 2024. All right. In there is a template for September, but of course you can use that for any month. And then it also has my actual calendar for September, okay, 2024 as well. Then there are also some tips and guidelines on how to use the calendar as well. So very beneficial and useful for you to plan out your month, so that way you're not scrambling at the last minute with trying to figure out what you're going to create or post for content. Okay. Bonus number three is proven headlines boost cold traffic conversion by 40%. If we're talking cold traffic here, we're talking about lead magnets, okay, videos, etc., and stuff like that. And the training, so this is a video training, and it's all about creating headlines that are going to attract cold traffic. Okay. Now, of course, you can learn this and apply it to your emails as well, but if people are on your email list, they're not essentially cold traffic, right? So this is for cold traffic. Bonus number four, some email tips for guaranteed results. Ideally, you want to have an email list. If you have one, great. This will be very beneficial right at the start. If you don't, but you're starting to build one, this is going to be helpful for you. Again, another video training with some tips to help you see better results from your email list. Okay. And bonus number five is unlock my ultimate funnel profits secrets. All right. So this is actually a bonus that Michael himself has allowed me to include. So this is something that he has created, and it's all about profit secrets from him. All right. And of course, creating funnels is very important for making money online. So this is going to go into detail about that. Again, this is another video training that you're going to get access to. And lastly, bonus number six is the Millionaire's Cheat Guide. So this is an 8-page document. So not a video, it's an actual PDF document that's going to go through just obviously a cheat sheet from Michael Cheney himself. Again, Michael has allowed me to add this in for the bonuses to offer you. So those are the 6 bonuses that you will get if you click any of these orange buttons on my page. And of course, you can access that down below this video in the description. Okay. Continuing with the bonus theme, I'm going to go over the bonuses that you get just by purchasing AI Millionaire, no matter who you purchase it from. So we'll look at those next. For AI Millionaire. And on here are the 7 bonuses that everyone will get no matter who they purchase the product through. Okay. So AI Millionaire itself, you can see, is $9.95. Right. And the bonuses that everyone's going to get are these. They're going to get AI traffic machines, so the done for you traffic assets. Right, just activate and deploy to make commissions. AI Millionaire Playbook. So start making money with a step-by-step guide. Next is the AI Millionaire activation codes. So covert fast start guide on how to activate the AI Millionaire system. You don't have to know anything about the business to get maximum profits with this. You just flip the switch and collect the cash. Millionaire cloning system. So clone the mind of a real-life multimillionaire in this closely guarded breakthrough audio program, which accelerates you straight to the money. Next is the automated customer service solution. So ready to rock customer support system. So you can sit back and collect the cash as this AI business does all the hard work for you. So you don't have to worry about customer support. Next, Michael is going to host a live handover session, 159K handover session. This will be after the launch. I think it's happening September 1st, but the details will be inside the area, which we will get to momentarily. And then the last one is the easy payment processing. So never worry about setting up complicated online payment systems. Everything's done for you. So you just collect the commissions. Okay. So those are the 7 bonuses that everyone will get when they buy AI Millionaire. It does not matter who you purchase through. Okay, those are the bonuses for everyone. So again, $9.95 gets you all those 7 bonuses plus the bonuses that I already mentioned previously in the video. Okay, so click the link down below if you're ready to get those. We are done with the bonuses, so let's get into the AI Millionaire platform itself. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. You can see that at the very top there is the live 159,000 bonus handover session. All right, you click that, it'll take you to the details about that, which is happening Sunday, September 1st, I believe. Obviously, on the left-hand side here are all the different tools that you have inside AI Millionaire. And you can see there's the welcome. Let's get started. So a quick intro video there. Then there's a link to register for the session. Next, part 2 here, getting started, getting approval. So approval for products that Michael has to promote and done for you promos that you can also access, right? And you can see each one, you have the option of transcript, audio, or video, right, in order to consume the content. So, but really what you want AI Millionaire for are the social media creator, the email writer, the movie maker, the blogger, and the photographer, right? So if I open up the social creator, okay, so each one of these will have a video, okay, training video essentially of how to best use each one. So you can obviously go through those. And then pretty much everyone's going to have some questions to ask you that you just fill in. And then that way it will be able to create what it is that you're wanting it to create. So if we look at the social media creator, enter the website of a product. So seeing as how this is a Michael Cheney product, I will enter in one of his other products that he has, right? Fast Track to a Million. So then what are your hobbies? So you can put anything in here. So let's see, camping, sports, I don't know, walking, right? Pets. If you have pets, great. You can put it in. Even if you don't have pets and you want to put pet in, you can. You used to have a dog. His name was Harley. So let's just use that. And then you put dog or cat in brackets or whatever kind of pet you have. And then enter the names and relationship of any family members. Now, again, you don't have to fill in all these. You can play around with this. But if I use Kelsey, my wife, and then you can put in what your actual current job is. You can make something up, whatever you want. So teacher, okay. And then you hit submit. And then it's going to do some magic. And here it goes. So let's find out what the product is about. So it'll give you a little blurb back telling you what the product is about that you wanted to promote. So it seems I couldn't retrieve any specific content directly from the website you provided. However, I do have general understanding that Fast Track to 1 million likely focused on helping individuals learn strategies to create profitable online businesses or side hustles aiming for significant income growth. Okay, so couldn't find the website, but still was able to come up with something. So let's move on to the personal details. You enjoy camping, sports, walking, dog named Harley, along with a wife, Kelsey, work as a teacher. So they're just going to take all that information, going to create a story-based social media post that ties in the product's core deliverable with a personal touch, right? So here's what it came up with. Have you ever been on a camping trip that turned into a wild adventure? Let me tell you about the time Kelsey and I decided to take Harley out for a weekend in the woods. We packed our gear, loaded up the car, and set off to find the perfect spot for our little getaway. As soon as we arrived, Harley was bouncing around like a kid on Sugar Rush. He dashed through the trees, sniffing every inch of the forest while Kelsey and I set up our tent. But just as we were about to roast some hot dogs over the fire, the sky turned dark and ominous. Out of nowhere, a storm rolled in and it unleashed a torrential downpour. The wind howled and we watched in disbelief as our tent began to collapse. With everything in chaos, we rushed to grab our gear and seek shelter in the car. There we were, huddled in the back seat. Harley sprawled out like he owned the place, and Kelsey and I just trying to not laugh at how ridiculous the situation was. In that moment, I realized something important. Sometimes life throws curveballs, but it's how you handle those unexpected moments that count. Just like in business, you can't always predict the storms that will come your way. You can prepare, you can plan, but being able to pivot and adapt is key. That's why I stumbled upon something that teaches you how to navigate those business storms. It's all about learning the ropes and finding your way to real financial freedom, just like Kelsey and I learned to adapt during our camping chaos. If you're ready to tackle your own adventures in making money, holler campfire tales below to get the inside scoop. All right. So if you like it, you can just copy it, right? Just click that button and it will copy it. And then you can paste it into a Google Doc if you want to edit it. So maybe you don't have a car, maybe you want to use a truck. You can easily edit this and use it however you want. So that is the social media creator. Okay. And of course, you create a social media. So another one that's going to go well with this is the photographer creating pictures. This one, much shorter, just answer two questions. So what is the subject for your blog post or social media post? So as you can see, it works really well for the blog post and the social media post. Let's see, say create an image of a wife. Oop, I'll make sure I spell it correctly. Image of a husband and wife rain with their dog. Target audience could be 30 plus, right? So anyone over the age of, you can put in whatever your target audience is. Let's just see what comes up with. All right, so here we go. Here's an image capturing the essence of a husband and wife camping in the rain with their dog. It turned out pretty good if I don't say so myself. Looks like a golden retriever, which I had a chocolate lab, so not too far off. I could have got more specific, but yeah, that would definitely work for the picture. Now you can see it took a few seconds there. Sometimes it's a little bit quicker than other times, but pretty good image. So again, the photographer works great with the social media creator and obviously the blogger, right? Like this one here. And basically, hi, ready to get started on your blog post. So this one here, it's what would you like to talk about? So start entering in some information, and if it needs more information, it'll ask you questions, and you just answer those questions, and it'll start creating a blog for you. And the other cool thing is at the end of the blog post, it will come up with an idea or a suggestion for an image, and you can actually just copy and paste that into the photographer, right, into here. Okay. The other sections are pretty self-explanatory with the email writer, the movie maker, right? You just again answer the questions and it's going to spit out the content for you, and you can either use it directly as is, make some adjustments, right? Or don't like it, just ask it to do it again, change maybe some of the questions around, whatever you like. The other thing you get to is you'll see that there is the bonuses within AI Millionaire itself, okay, that were mentioned, right? So this is where you access all those bonuses that I talked about on the sales page. So the AI traffic machine, the playbook, right? The cloning system, the live session, the customer service, the activation codes, the easy payment. And then the one that wasn't mentioned is there's a true story about the little guy escaping the 9 to 5 hell. So that's a video that you can watch as well. Okay, so this is inside AI Millionaire. Super useful tool because in one spot here, you can create your social media posts, write your emails, create video scripts, create blog posts, and create photos. Now, it doesn't create the actual videos for you. Just so you know, with the Movie Maker, it will just create the scripts for you. So you will have to find another either AI tool to do that for you if you want faceless videos, or you take the scripts and and you do it yourself, right? That is AI Millionaire in a nutshell. Recap: when you click the link below this video in the descriptions, you're going to go to this page, my bonus page, all right? And you will get these bonuses. Number one, the content amplification blueprint. Bonus number two, copy of my personal content calendar for September 2024. Bonus number three, proven headline boosts cold traffic conversion by 40%. Bonus number four, email tips for guaranteed results. Bonus number five, unlock my ultimate funnel profit secrets. And bonus number six, millionaire's cheat guide. All right, all this total value $242.75. You get that for $0. You pay nothing. You pay $9.95. You get these 6 bonuses plus the 7 bonuses that Michael Cheney is giving everyone who purchases AI Millionaire. Okay, just click any of these yellow, orange, whatever color you want to call it, buttons, and you will get access to that. All right. If you are watching this video and it is not Monday, August 26th, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, bookmark it because this does not go live until that time. If you're after it, then click on the links. Stay tuned for my next review video.